Nityananda is to see two things. There are few guys who say, I know what you say and I can do. There are few guys who say, I know what you say but I am not able to do. This is not the place for the second group. Not only you should know, you must be able to do. There are few guys who came and told me, Swami, give me courage, give me blessing, I must be able to do. I said, no, I don't need courage. If you have courage, I will only try my best to discourage you. I will try my best only to discourage you. Beyond that, if you have courage and if you are able to do, be here, otherwise get out. I have no problem. I have big doors backside, 3 doors, open and run, that's all. And you go for food, don't come back, then there is no door outside. And that's all. I am not interested in giving you courage. Give me courage, only you should take care. All these things are just cheating, hypocritical idiots. If you can't get out, where you asking me to give power? I should give power also, and I should give you technique also. I will do everything, and you want what you do. And I am not interested in all this nonsense. Be very clear. Not only you should understand, you must be able to do. If you feel you are not able to do, there are so many branch centers, go and stay there. I have no problem. Be happy, be blissful. Of course, you will not be blissful, that is the problem. Anyhow, that I don't bother. The whole thing is done out of compassion, be very clear. All categorization, all creation group, or all techniques initiation, somebody being initiated or somebody being not initiated, everything is done out of compassion, be very clear. I just do not want to create peer pressure and make you do what I want to do. See, by creating peer pressure, I can make all of you do whatever I want. You understand? Because I have given enough money. Now I can just create a peer pressure. And actually, people do other people can say, no, simply they will do. But I am not interested in that. I want that you should blossom from inside. Actually, if you blossom from inside, even a simple growth straight away will explode. But if you don't blossom from inside, even a very big thing will not be useful for you. Understand? And you should, suddenly when I speak, you should feel like you have got a lightning. Some fire has been put on you. The fire is put on the cracker, how it explodes. What happens? The same thing should happen. When I say these words to you, if that happens to you, then the initiation is happening. Then you are connecting. If every word gives you that experience, oh, something is exploding in me, oh God, exactly is catching me, exactly this is what I want, exactly I feel connected, then that's beautiful thing. If that doesn't happen, for the sake of others we are doing, I don't think it's a practice, it's not technique for you. It's not for you. By and by, for long association, you might have taken me for granted also. Swami means like this only. Don't take me for granted. That's a very important thing. If you are taking me for granted, I will also act as exactly as you want. But then you will miss the real me. You will have only the image which you have about me. Be very clear. So, let me tell you one story. George Gurdjieff, great master. I think in the modern days he is the master who made many people enlightened. Not only directly, even indirectly, even after he left the body, he created such a conscious bomb. It exploded in many places. See, submarine, how the submarine will not be seen superficially. But suddenly from below the bomb will come up. And you heard this in the Mars, they will use the submarine, what is that? Submarine ships. So many ships will be standing, submarine will come down and they will put one bomb and all the ships will be gone. Something like that. He worked in the collective unconsciousness. and made many people enlightened. So he's a great master. In his ashram, he used to have some special technique. See, I am talking 15 days. He says just 3 days, not more than 3 days. If you want to become enlightened in 3 days, get out. This is not a place for you. He just drives them out. That's all. 3 days only. If you see him on Friday, weekend, Sunday, you have to become enlightened. And if you are not, you will get out. This is not the place for you. I am not the guru for you. There are so many outside gurus. Go to them, and you will also be happy, and they will also be happy. You can continue to be disciple. They can continue to be guru, and it will happen. Turn your nose, turn your nose, and turn your ears, and whatever you can turn. And you will do some kriya, some technique, something, and you will be continuing to be disciple, and they will be continuing to be guru. And he said he is not interested in that. I am also not interested in that. One more thing, let me be very clear. You guys don't become enlightened. Let it be very clear. In the beginning, I want to tell you, this is the last time I welcome you all. That's all. It's the last welcome. Either you transform your life, or you will never be welcomed again once more here. Be very clear. You are taking IAS exam. IAS exam only once you can take. Either thing can take after 2 years, no problem. You can prepare. Nowadays SC quota price where they are available. Here no SC quota. Be very clear. If you want, you can think, oh, let me prepare myself a little more and attend next year. Okay, no problem. But if you appear this time and fail, you will never be allowed in any other exam. Because I don't want to waste my time. I have to spend with the 180 guys. With some 40 years, I will going to spend some more time with the 140. So my 15 days will be divided by 140. It will be much more efficient. The moment itself will do as to be. Because here, the whole life I am putting, to be very clear. I am spending the whole, not only my life, I am working so intensely. I do not want any insincerity or sleeping and all this type of nonsense. Not only sleeping, even unconsciousness. So, be very clear. Either take up the exam next time or pass this time. Otherwise, you will miss the whole chance. You will not welcome anymore. So, I wanted all of you to be aware before into what you are venturing. Into what you are venturing. Do not try to compare with others' techniques, or don't even go on. That's the reason I think in those days they told that don't tell your technique to others. But I don't want to put you that restriction. I trust you all. You can, whatever techniques I initiated, you can tell others, no problem. But I don't know. You can tell only after 15 days. You should not tell now. Only after going outside, after finishing the program, after you go out, generally first you will all be initiated. After the initiation, you can tell whatever techniques you have been given. Now, in these 15 days, you should not talk about your techniques to others. Be very clear. See, I don't want to keep secret. That is the reason I tell you can talk to others, no problem. But these 15 days, if you talk to others, you will start comparing your notes and you will create confusion for yourself and for others. So be very clear, till you finish this program, till January 1st evening, you will not talk about the technique which is initiated to you or given to you, or you will not talk about the relationship between me and you. Be very clear. What instruction you receive from me, let you all be very clear. In those days, that's the reason I think they don't talk to others and don't tell others. Once Vivekananda was being trained in Advaita sadhana. Vivekananda was being brought up in Advaita sadhana. Advaita means monistic practice, non-dualistic. Ramakrishna's another disciple was there, Abhedananda. He was growing in a different attitude. Vivekananda went and spoke about all this Advaita and destroyed the mental setup of Abhedananda, confused him. Then Vivekananda Ramakrishna calls you one of girls, idiot. Practically you did an abortion. He says, you will get now you have done abortion. I was creating him in a different mold. After, in the end, both of you are going to achieve the same thing. But he is being trained and brought up in a different level. But by you going and interfering and talking and sharing your notes, what have you done? You have done abortion. So be very clear. With each one of you, I will have a different attitude. With someone, I will always be hugging. With somebody, I will not even turn my face. Be very clear. Everything is purely out of compassion. Never think, only when I act, I give the compassion, or when I don't act, I don't give compassion. Every inch is the compassion. Only one thing understand. Swamiji is surely little more intelligent than you. That much if you know, then you are qualified for this program. Then you are qualified for this program. And if you have problem in that itself, then there is a little difficult. So, one more thing. Either you are completely enlightened or completely whatever you know is useless. And never think, no, I know a lot, Swami. Only a little more I want. If you can add the glass supply, I can manage everything. I almost know everything. Only the last touch I want from you. Be very clear, there is no such thing as last touch. Here I do only pure sales. I don't do repair work. Anybody wants repairing, go to some other shop. Here I only sell the product, fresh product, not even second sales. Either you take the whole thing or you leave the whole thing. And no repairing is done here. We will clear outside. You should put a board here. No enlightenment repairing will be done here. No repair and services enlightenment will be done here. Either I give the whole vehicle, means whole setup, whole enlightenment, or you don't get. That's all. So be very clear. If you know already you know something, then better you start your own ashram. And start teaching whatever you want to people and add more confusion to whatever is existing. And it must be nice drama. In Kali Yuga, is little punishment also. These fellows are going too much here and there. So like you guys, there should be some gurus. So all of you very clear. Either you don't know anything or you know everything. If any of you know that you know everything, and you can sit up along with the gods. There are 7 or 9 you can. I put 1 or 2 more thrones over one, you can go and sit there also. And you don't have to attend this program. And if you think that you don't know, then completely be very clear, sit here, be completely open and available so that I can do something on you. These are all basic instructions. But I am repeating so that just to remind you. You shouldn't forget, just to remind you.